If you'd like to change your institution or your study program held under Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship, then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Maina Gashunga, and in this video I'll be summarizing the most important and useful information on changing institution, study program, and language requests that apply to all scholarship holders, from the key things to put into consideration, to the documents required, to the period in which you can do it, and of course to the process itself. First of all, changing institution or your study program is only possible within the first year of a full-time degree program. So this means that you only have this chance to transfer if you want to. Secondly, you are only eligible to change your program or institution only once during your study period. So after this request is accepted by the scholarship committee, you are no longer eligible to apply for this or any other transfer. So I'd like to urge you to have a good decision, or make a clear decision if you want to transfer this, because this is irreversible and you cannot change again after this request is accepted by the scholarship committee. So if you'd like to apply for a transfer, please put this into consideration, that you can only change this once. So the deadline for submitting the request to the Tempus Public Foundation is the 1st of December for the spring semester and 15th of May for the fall semester. So this applies in every school year. So if you'd like to join a new school for the autumn semester, then you have to file your request before 15th of May. And if you'd like to join the spring semester to your new school or your new course, then that you'll have to file your request before the 1st of December. Please do not miss these deadlines, and if possible, do it as early as possible, so that when your decision will come, you'll have at least big room for turnaround or anything, and that you'll be ready for any decision. There are 3 most important documents required for this process. 1. A request signed by the students is required with a detailed statement of the exact reasons for the request. So keep in mind that request may be rejected if a valid reason is lacking. So the request should be addressed to the Tempus Public Foundation and has to be typewritten, printed, signed, and scanned. So you can find the request form template in the website link down in the description. So document number 2 is the approval of the current host institution, and this document needs to contain the information regarding the student's status of your previous semesters. So some of the schools might call this letter of no objection, and this means that you have to obtain this to show that the school has nothing to do with you and you have no debts or anything that is remaining in the school with you. So you can get this by contacting your current host institution's office, and they can send you via email, or you can go to the office and they can print it, and then you can scan it for the uploading. The third document is the official stamped approval of the future host institution in case of university change request. So this means you have to contact the future university beforehand and check if you are eligible to join them in future. So if they accept you, then they will send you an acceptance letter or an approval letter, which you will also need your transcript of records to obtain, or in this case, a credit certificate. Now, Tempus Public Foundation will notify the scholarship holders of the final and formal decision on the extension request by email. So this usually takes place by the end of June for the fall semester, and by the end of January in the case of the spring semester. Now, note that it is not possible to appeal after the decisions are made on the request, so you must continue the studies based on the decision. So however, you can withdraw the request before the decision is issued, but it is recommended to do so before the deadline. Also, if your request was rejected, you also have a chance to resubmit again for the request and see if you'll get to get successful for the transfer in the next try. If you are accepted, the remaining semesters are calculated as follows. Active semesters already used are deducted from the number of semesters of the new study program. Beware of any extension that might be needed after the calculation of the semesters. Remember, the scholarship holders will not receive a scholarship or neither a housing allowance during the extension. So for example, your study program at your current institution is 4 semesters, and also the study program at the new institution is 3 semesters. So this will this means that 2 semesters will already have been done, and this will be 3 semesters in the new in the new institution minus the 2 semesters already done in your current institution. So you'll only be having 1 semester remaining, and that's how the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship Committee calculates the semesters already taken. Remember, the scholarship covers a specific amount of semesters, and now this might lead or you have to check that there is no extension required after the transfer. Now that's all for today's video. I hope it gave you an idea of what's expected when changing institution or a study program under the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that you don't miss out on such. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to help. I wish you all the best in your transfer process, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.